arithmetic progression. In that exercise 1.2, 8th question. In an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So it's a little bit complicated. They are asking the question like this: an AP consists of 50 terms, total 50 terms they have given, in which third term is 12, only given is third term, and the last term is 106. Last term they have given is 106. They are asking 29th term. Okay, let's see. So first thing we have to write whatever they have given. Let's see. Third term they have given as 12. So I write like this: A3 is equals to 12. See, they have given here. Next, 50th term. So the total consists of 50 terms. Total consists of 50 terms. So last term is 106, means 50th term is 106. A50 is 106. Common difference we have to find, and they are asking 29th term. 29th term they are asking. So same thing here. A is given, we need to find the D. Okay, they have given two terms. One is the third term and the last term, that is 50th term. So we need to find the in between 29th term. Let's take. So second thing, we have to put the formula, that is we know that the nth term of an AP series an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We know that the nth term of the AP series is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So first thing, we have to write the given, whatever they have given. Second things, we have to check whichever we want to find, we have to write that. Third thing, we have to put a formula. Let's see. A3. So I am taking A31. So A3. So whatever it comes, I'll take this as an equation 1. By putting A3 to the formula, the result comes as 12 is equals to A plus 2D. That I am considering as equation 1. Let's see. For equation 2, I take this A50 is equals to, means an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So A50 is equals to a plus 50 minus 1 into d, that becomes 106 is equals to a plus 49 d. That I am going to consider this as equation 2. So I am taking two equations. In that I am going to deduct equation 2 from 1. Equation 1 and 2 by subtracting, it comes, let's see, let's 106 is equals to a plus 49 d. 12 is equals to a plus 2d. Subtraction, we are need to do subtraction. So here minus I am doing. So 49 minus 2d, so it becomes 47d. So bigger number is 49. 49 symbol is plus, so I am writing plus only. Plus a minus a get cancels, so here plus is not required. So I am going to take is equals to 106 minus 12. So 106 minus 10 is 196. 96 again to 94, so it becomes 94. So d is equals to 94 divided by 47. So d is equals to 2. Here is the answer. D is equals to 2. Now we found the d value. So automatically A29 means by putting the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. In here 29 we are going to write. Note down this one. So I am going to remove this. So finally we found the value as 2. D as 2. So by putting 29, so we'll do one thing. We'll take equation 1 first. Equation 1 first to obtain the a. So since we know that we don't know that a, so 12 is equals to equation 1. 12 is equals to a plus 2 into 2. 2 means this is the d value. So after finding a, that is 8. So d a becomes 8, d becomes 2. Now easily we can find A29. A29 means An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So after substituting the value for A29, so answer is 64. Therefore 29th term is 64. A29 is equals to A plus 29 minus 1 into D. We'll go through the problem once again. Total AP consists of 50 terms. Total consists of 50 terms. Find it. Total 50 terms, in which third term is 12. Only they have given third term, and the last term is 106. Last term means we know that 50 terms means last term only. So last term is 106. Otherwise 50th term is 106. Find the 29th. So third term they have given, and the 50th term that they have given, and the 29th they have asked. So here when already we know that, so we are going to assign the values first as per the standards values. We are going to assign like A3 is equals to 12, A50 is equals to 106. We need to find the common difference, we need to find the A, then we need to find the A29. So here A is equals to question mark, we need to find this also, we need to find, because to find this one we need A and D. Okay, so since we don't know A and D, here, so here we put two equations. So this one, by putting this value to the formula, we get one equation. By putting this formula we get one more equation. So this equation minus this equation, so it becomes D value. So we can find the D value by doing equation 2 minus equation 1. After getting the D value, again we need to find the A value, no? So what we have to do, we have to do the substitution to the D value to the equation, any equation in 1 and 2. So after equation substitution will get A value. So after getting A and D value, we know the formula, that is A is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is, by putting A29 we get the answer is 64. Any doubts, you can ask us or you can mail us. This is our email ID. You can find us and you can mail us.